Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve Feb March 2022 paper and component 3.1, and we will try to finish in today's video the second task, which is website authoring. Okay, so let us start with this. We will start with the task 2, which is called as a file management. Create a new folder called m22 underscore htm and locate the following files and store them in your m22 folder. All right, so the files which is given to us is banner, eagle, flag, lake, style and text. Okay, to do this we will go to our support file folder. All right, so now let me create a new folder here. Right click, new folder, and the folder name is m22htm. Okay, so rename it m22 underscore html. All right, done. Now next, so banner, eagle, flag, okay, styles, lake, text. All right, so we're done with this. Let me put it. Okay, now so 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 files. 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, now display the content of your m22 folder, showing your folder name, file extension. Okay, step by step. File name, file extension, file size, image, dimension. Oh, everything we need to show here. Okay, so all right, so we will go into, okay, so we will go into the type, right click, more. Okay, file name. Okay, so we will go, I will go with, start with the D, which is dimension. Done. Now we will go to file name. Where is the file name? Here, file extension, I got it, and then file name. All right, next. Okay, and then width and height we have to show. Okay, file width, frame width, sorry, and frame height, and then press OK. All right, so everything is done here. Take the screenshot and paste in your evidence file. All right, so now let's go to the next question. Yeah, take a screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Next, task 3. Let's start our main task today. Okay, you are going to create a web page and style sheet about a lake, Naivasha in Kenya. The web page and the style must work in all browser. Make sure that your style contain no HTML. Make your HTML and style sheet as efficient as possible. All right. Okay, so now create in your m22 HTML folder a web page called naivasha.htm. Okay, so all right, so now to do this I'm going to use my application software, which is web expression. Here we go. Now go to new and HTML page. Okay, click on design and right click here and save. Okay, so now I'm going to name this particular folder. Okay, where is my 2022 Feb March paper 31, and here is my folder. Okay, and I'm going to name it as a naivasha.htm and save it. Right, done. Next, this page must be created using a single table and must work in all browsers. The table must be center aligned and fit to 80%. 2 points to be noted here, student. One is fit in 80%. Second is the table should be center aligned. Browse for the browser window. Okay, all right. The table must have a structure shown below. So let me count the number of rows first. 1 2 3 4. 4 rows. 1 2. 2 column. Okay, so now let's go to our software. Click on table, insert table. So now for me here, total number of rows are 4 and columns are 2, and it should be how much? 80%. So specific width would be 80%, and the table should be aligned to center. So here also you can simply click on center alignment and then press OK. Perfectly done. Now next, let us arrange the structure. First, row is merge, so let me select it, right click, modify, merge the cell. Next, second is okay, fine. And next, yeah, here I think here last three we need to select, right click, modify and merge. All right, now it is also having a naming, so let me name each and every cell. A, here it is B, and C, D, E, till E. Yes, perfectly fine. Now let's adjust the width. Width is 100% for A, so just click on a cell A, right click, cell property, specific width and specific height. Specific width is how much? 100%. All right, and specific height is how much? 20%. 20%. It should be in percent and percent, and apply, and then okay, done. Next, in B the width is 65%. Okay, so in B, right click, modify, right click, cell property, and specific width only, which is 65%. 65%, apply, and then okay. Next, in cell C the width is 35%, so let me right click, cell property, specific width is 35%. 35%, apply, and then okay. All right, so done. So each table cell is identified with a letter, done. Some dimensions are shown, done. They must be set as a percentage value, done. Do not set the height of B, C, D and E. So we didn't put any, assign any value to the height. Next, the cell content shown in the diagram must not be up here, which is A, B, C. Okay, all right. The table border must be up here on the final web page. Here we do not, student, we do not have to make table as a 0. Clear? Okay, which means the table borders must and should be up here in your final web page. All right, so now let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Set the title to the web page as Lake Navasha homepage. Okay, so as I told you in my previous video also, student, you just need to right click and click on page properties and title. Title is Navasha, Lake Navasha homepage. Okay, all right, done, and then press OK. So now let me highlight this, done. Next, question number 4. Set the HTML the name as a default target window to self. Okay, so let's do it. All right, so let's do it. Now what we need to do here, right click, simple, the same page properties we will go. So like, can you see here the default target frame, students? Okay, so you need to just simply click here, new window, and the new window name is okay, underscore self, right? Isn't it? So I'm going to rename it as a underscore self. All right, okay, which means the same frame here, SELF, self. Okay, so once you type here, it will change the same frame. Okay, it will change to the same frame. Again, let me show you one more time so that you can able to understand. I just went here, default target frame, click here. Okay, by default you can choose any new window and then name it as a self. So once you type the self, it will directly take you to the same frame. Press OK and then OK. All right. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, place in a cell. Let us start from beginning. A, the image is a M22 banner. Okay, so now see here, I just simply remove A and went to insert and picture from file, and then where is my support file? This is our previous file picture. So desktop 2022 March 31, and here we go, our first picture. What is the picture name here? Banner. Where is the banner? Banner is here, and let me insert it. Okay, so even though, student, as I advise you, even though if they did not mention any alternate text, it is better to keep alternate text, BANNER, banner, and then press OK. Perfect, done. Next, a B, in cell B, a video tag which is M22 lake.mp4, so that it will fit the width of the cell. Okay, fine, fit the width of the cell, which means here we need to make the width as 100%. So just to make you more clear and understand, okay, width here you have to make it as 100%, point number one. Next, display an automated text, okay, display an automated text, which is if the browser does not support the video type. All right, so this is the text which we are going to import. Now let's go to the B. So in this way, what I want you to use, as I told you in my previous videos, just simply click on the code, okay, and just press 1 2 3, okay, 2 times enter, and you don't have to keep the B here. So open the parenthesis and write we are going to insert the video, select the video, next, okay, and then this video has a width, how much, width, width, which is equals to 100%, okay, width is equals to 100%, wi width is equals to 100%. And as did they mention any controls here? So fit in a width. So here student, if it is they are asking you to fit in a cell for 100%, so it is better to keep the controls also, so that the video will play perfectly in your browser. Control and close it. Now next, video tag, we got it. Now what is the source, what you are going to import? So now I'm going to import a source, source, and the HTML tag for source is src is equals to, okay, so do not forget the thumb rule. As I told you, you need to select what we need to click, okay, as I told you, we need to select the path, right click on the video and copy the path, okay. Many students will simply write the file name, so it is better not to write the file name, okay, you might encounter with your video, okay. So it is simply copy the path and just write the what type of file this is. This is the type of file is video, video oblique video oblique mp4, okay, and then video oblique mp4, and then simply close the parenthesis, done, and then go to the next layer. Next, what I need to do here, okay, they said like, you know, this video should be fit in a width which is 100%, okay. So now I would like to put here, I would like to show you here, which we already done, the width is equals to, for this particular video we put the width is equals to 100%. All right, done. So if not functioning, then it should show an error message, the browser does not support the video type. So here browser does not support the video type. So we're done with here. So let us see whether we can able to see the video here or not. Go to file, print preview and Internet Explorer and press OK. Yeah. So now here you can see we can successfully able to see the video, which is perfectly fine working in our web page. Alright, here now let's go, let me close it. Now let me go to the next point. In cell C, the image is M22 Eagle. Okay, in cell C, where is my design part, and this is my C. I'm just removing C and I'm going on insert, picture from file and eagle and insert, and then eagle, okay, eagle and then press OK. Perfectly fine. Now we're done with this. Eagle I imported, and let me go to place an inline style attribute to the HTML so that each image fit in a width of the table cell. Okay, so how to do this question? Simple. They are asking us to put an inline function. They are asking us to put an inline function. So no worries. We will go to our code. Okay. Let me click on code here. Okay, we will click on code. Okay, so what are the videos we put? We put two videos, so two pictures. One is here, okay, which is the banner, And let me remove the height for the banner, first point number one, and let me remove the width. Okay, I will tell you why we are taking out height and width, because they ask us to put a inline function to both the images, right? Isn't it? So here I want just simply type style, 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 okay, and style is equals to, okay, style equals to what I told you. You need to just type the width here. Okay, style is equal to width, wi, just type wi, you will get width, which is 100%. All right, done. So inline function for the first image is done. Next, inline function for the second image, which is eagle. Let me remove the width here. Okay, and let me remove the height here. Sir, is it compulsory to remove the height and width? Yes, to make sure your picture will be set in a proper cell. STYLE, style, again style is equals to width. Okay, style is equal to width, which is 100%. All right, perfect. Okay, so now, sir, what is the change? Can we able to see the change here? Okay, in our page. Yes, so let me go file, preview, Internet Explorer. Okay, we can able to see now. You can say able to see here. Okay, which is the this particular is fit in a page. This is also properly fit in the window. All right, so now let me close it. Done. Now next, what we can do here, so this is done. Let me save it. Save. Okay, so now let me go to design. Now what next? What next now? Okay, so this is the eagle here, 100% and all. So add an appropriate alternate text to both the images, which is already done from our end. Okay, while importing. Next, in place in cell D the text. Place in cell D the text, which is M22 text. So let's go quickly and put the text. Okay, where is text? Text is here. Open it and copy, Control C, and then go to a file. Okay, where we need to put the text in D. Where is D? Let me go down here. It is D. Let me remove D and Control V. Done. Next. Okay, set the text as a paragraph style. Okay, so now let me select the content of D here, or simply select the text of D. Okay, now apply paragraph. Done. Okay, paragraph is applied successfully. Next, enter in cell E what edited by, followed by a space, your name, center number, and candidate number. So where is E? E is here, and Control V, edited by, name ABC, space, center number IN123, space, candidate number 1234. All right, done. Now apply, set the text as a H3. So let me select this and apply here from H3. Perfect. Okay. Yes. So this is H3. You can see here. Next, create a hyperlink for the text, which is click. Okay, here, and open in a web page with the URL this. Okay, email URL this, and the new browser window will be the blank. Okay, so where is click? Click. Create a hyperlink from the click here. Okay, fine, to the web page URL. So here, click here. So do we need to select both? Yes, click here. So here it is. Let me select this, right click and go to hyperlink. And hyperlink to what? We need to put this particular link here. Okay, go to bookmark, target frame. Okay, so first let me put the address which they give us. Here is the address, and go to target frame, and then what we need to do here after target frame. Okay, new window which is blank. I hope you can able to see here clearly. Now do we need to take any screenshot here? No. And then press OK, and then OK. So now click is already hyperlink. Let's see the code. so that you can easily able to understand. So click here means we got the target frame, this, and then the blank. All right, perfectly fine. Next, attach the style sheet m22 style.css to your web page. All right, so let's do it. So now attach style sheet, browse, and go to, what was the name, m22 style. Yes, it is here, and then open, and then press OK. Yeah, wow. Okay, this look good. Now next, what we need to do, A, B, and C is also done. All right, so let me go file, preview, and let me preview this. Yes, so here we can see, clearly able to see it. Okay, all right, so this is our web page look like till now. Now next, what we need to do. Okay, so now here each table cell is identified with a letter. Oh, sorry, then we will go here. Yes, we done. This is done. Now create a new style sheet so that, okay, so here after attachment they are asking us to create a new style sheet. Okay, to do this we will go to our application software, web expression, and click on new page, which is a new CSS, and let's try to create it. What we need to create here first is the table should be center aligned. Okay, so here table thingy, first is table, identify the table. Okay, here, and here they are asking cell property, that we will do next. Anything else to table alignment or element have the space between the border should be 10 pixel. Okay, and top margin should be 173 pixel. Okay, so these three properties we will put in one style, which is table. Okay, so let's do it. New style, click on new style, and the style name is table. Okay, so let me type T. Okay, all right, so here we go. So we got our table, right, isn't it? So here table, first thing, table should be, table alignment is center. Okay, box, margins, right, auto, left, auto, right, first is done. Next, the table elements have a space between the border set to 10 pixel. Okay, set to 10 pixel. So I will go on table. Okay, border spacing is how much? Border spacing is 10 pixel, 10 pixel. Next, the top margin above the table is 173, again box. Okay, the top margin should be here. Okay, press OK, and here apply to 173. Okay, now let me, 1 second. Okay, 1 minute. So remove this, keep it as a default setting. So this table is auto, and left is also auto, and this is 173. All right, so anything else? Nothing else. Apply, and then OK. Right, fine. So border spacing is 10 pixel. Border spacing is 10 pixel. Right margin is auto and left is auto, which is center aligned. Done. Next, top margin is 173. Top margin is 173. All three tasks is done in only one style. Now let's do the last but not the least, is the cell padding. Why we are doing at the end? Because this is table comma td, or you can use as a td also. So td box, and the cell padding is how much? 10 pixel. Simple. 10 pixel, apply, and then OK. So finally we done with our all the criterias of the new style sheet. Make sure that your, okay, here one last is your name, center number, candidate number to be set as a default. Okay, set as a comment at the end of the style. So here I'm going here. So now / style. Okay, and then your name, ABC space, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right, and then for star, and then / done. So what we need to do, okay, make sure that your style contain no HTML script language. Perfectly fine. Next, save the style sheet in your M22 HTML folder as a M22 style, followed by your name, followed by your center number and candidate number. Okay, so to new style which I created just now, click on save, control V, followed by center number IN123, candidate number 1234. All right, and then press save. Next, attach, do we need to screenshot? No, attach the style sheet to your web page so that it has a higher priority. Okay, so let me click on attach style sheet, browse, and this is new one, and then press OK. All right, then what next I have to do? Press OK. Done. Now take a screenshot, show the file name and the content of your style sheet, and place in your evidence document. So here I would like you to take the screenshot of your new style, student. Next, so save your web page. Okay, save your web page. So right click, save. Here also right click, save. Next, take a screenshot or take a copy of your HTML source tag in your evidence file. So click on code, take all the source and paste in your evidence file. Next, display your web page in a browser if necessary. Again, I repeat here, student, many of you will get confused. Sir, like, sometime the cell size was not fit. Sometimes, like, the images will be not fit in a window. You do not have to worry. If your code is correct, your answer is correct. Okay, so if necessary, that's why they give us a criteria. If necessary, resize it, or else you can keep as it is. Okay, all the pages can be seen. Yes. Okay, all the text can be easily read, and the address bar is fully visible. All right, so now to do this, I will click on design, and then finally we will go on the preview mode, and perfectly see, if you can see here, this is our web page. Okay, and we can able to see the all details, okay, which is here. Okay, now let me go to the next question. Take a screenshot of your web browser with the content and the background. Okay, this is the content. You can just zoom in, okay, to get the content out. Okay, and then you can take the screenshot. Just simply, no need to reset, just simply click on zoom in and zoom out so that you can take all the content picture. Next, anything else we need to do here? Nothing else. So perfectly fine. So here, student, we completed our task. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.